Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring a backup exists so you can undo mistakes. Make that copy now. Open the document in your mobile editor or PDF reader and switch to thumbnail or page mode so you can see every page at once. Once thumbnails load, scan quickly for obvious blank pages or odd spacing. This visual check saves time. Make sure your app is in edit mode, not read-only, so you can delete or crop immediately without extra dialogues or conversions. You must determine why the page is blank: invisible text, a stray page break, or a layout object pushing content. Tap the empty page and look for hidden characters, annotations, or images with zero opacity. If it's a true blank page, use delete page. If it's spacing, remove extra paragraph marks or adjust margins. For PDF, crop or use a page extract tool. For Word or Docs, enable show formatting and delete the break. Once done, reflow to confirm content. You finish by saving and exporting the document, then reopen it to verify the blank page is gone. If the page persists, restart the app and check again. Temporary rendering bugs can hide changes. Next, try opening the file in a different mobile editor or a cloud version that often reveals embedded objects. If nothing works, copy visible content into a new document, paste without formatting, and save. This reliably removes hidden markup. One tip: keep your backup until final verification is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.